Before we move ahead, let's do a small recap. So in last videos, you learn how to set up Google Colab. We also learn few basic Python concepts like creating variables, using those variables, then creating sections, then we did some basic arithmetic operations like plus, minus, then we calculated squares, cube, and we saw all these things. We learned about how to setting up, connecting your Google Colab and things. Okay, now in this sections, in coming sections, we will learn about something conditioning and looping. So first of all, let me just these things. Okay, oh, all right, and let me add new section here. Okay, let me add a code snippet first. I will add a new section for your, let's add a new section and name it conditioning and looping. Okay, this will be our section, and let's add code section. So in this section we will learn about how we can do conditioning like if and else, and then later we'll learn looping using for loop and while loop. Let's write a simple code for if condition. In Python, uh, every line is separated by colon if you are adding some condition and things, so you need to put colon here, and after that you must be concerned about spacing. Okay, so let me create a variable. Let's say age is equal to 20, and after that I will write a condition like if age is greater than equal to 18. Now let's add a colon here. Okay, so it will go to next line, and it will, you can see that Google Colab is automatically considering taking care of your spacing. So now print, let's say you can vote. Okay, press enter. Now else print you cannot, you cannot vote. So it's a simple if condition. Okay, now let's run this, and because we have taken age as 20, so it should print, it should print a output as you can vote. See, now let's change the age to less than 18. Let's say 17. Oops, 17, and output should produce that you cannot vote. Let's execute this code, and here you go. So you can see that you cannot vote. So this is pretty simple, like adding if and else condition. So now let's see an example of multiple if conditions. Okay, let's add more conditions. Let's suppose is let's say 19. Okay, now what I want to write is if oh, if is greater than 18, print you are eligible for eligible to vote. Else if, okay, I'm writing else if condition here. Else if is equal to 17, let's print you are just about to get this benefit. Else print you have to wait for more time. Now let's execute this. So here you can see that you are eligible for vote. Now let's check 17, and you are just about to get this benefit. If your age is, let's say, 15 or 16, something below 17, then you should see you have to wait for more time. So you can just achieve multiple multi if conditions using elif, okay, and then everything is same. So I think we are good for this lecture, and in next lecture we will see looping. Okay, so thank you.